Hello viewers, welcome to Basic Maths with Master Jude. Let's solve this question on the board. This question says, find the sum of the roots of the equation 2x squared plus 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now, finding the roots of equation means either using the factorization method, the completing the square method, the formula method, or the graphical method to find their roots. Now, after finding the roots, then you now take their sum to get your what answer. Before we solve, please click the like button, share these videos for others to see. Now, we're going to use factorization method to find the roots first. Now, we have 2x squared plus 3x minus 9 is equal to what? 0. Now, when you look at the coefficient of x squared, you discover it is more than 1. If it is more than 1, you just multiply the coefficient with this constant here, c, which is 9. So 2 multiplying 9 will give me what? 18. Then I'll look for the factors of 18. That is, factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. These numbers can divide 18 without what? A remainder. Now, from the factors of 18, I'll pick any two numbers that if I add or subtract, it will give me 3. Then if I multiply the two numbers, it will give me minus 9. The two numbers I will pick is 3 and what? 6. Now, it is going to be plus 6 and what? Minus 3. Plus 6 and what? Minus 3. Meaning that I'm going to now do 2x squared plus 6x minus 3x minus 9 is equal to 0. So I'm using this and this to replace what? Plus 3x. So I can now take put it in bracket. Then let me factor out. 2 is common between 2 and 6 because 2 can divide itself and divide 6. I'll bring 2 out. Then we have x here and I have another x. I'll bring x here. Then I'll open my bracket. Then I'll bring down 2x squared all over the 2x I factored out plus 6x all over the 2x I factored out. Then minus 3 is common because 3 can divide itself and divide what? 9. I'll bring out 3. I have x here, but I do not have x here. So what is common between 3x and 9 is what? 3. Then I'll open my bracket and I'll bring down 3x all over what I factored out, which is 3. Then take note, you now do minus, multiply minus to give me plus. Then 9 over what? 3 is equal to what? 0. Now, 2 will cancel itself, x will cancel x into x squared. I'm left with x. X will cancel x. 2 here is 1, 2 here is what? 3. 3 will cancel itself. I'm left with x here. 3 dividing itself is 1. 3 dividing 9 is what? 3. Now, what I have outside is 2x minus 3 bracket. What do I have inside? X plus 3, x plus 3. I'll pick 1. Then x plus what? 3 is equal to 0. Now, since 2x minus 3, x plus 3 is equal to 0, what it means is that 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Or x plus 3 is equal to what? 0. From here, I'm going to have 2x is equal to minus 3 crossing the equality sign becomes what? Plus 3. Then dividing both sides with the coefficient of x, which is 2. This will cancel. I'm left with x is equal to 3 over what? 2. Or x is equal to 0 minus what? 3. Plus 3 crossing the equality sign becomes minus 3. So my x here is what? Minus 3. So these are the two roots. The two roots I got using the factorization method is 3 over 2 and minus 3. But the instruction says find the sum of the two roots. Now, finding the sum means adding them. So I'm going to have 3 over 2 plus bracket minus 3. I can say let this minus 3 be over 1 because any whole number dividing 1 will still give us that whole number. Then I will now do plus times minus to open this bracket. Plus times minus will give me minus. So I have 3 over 2 minus 3 over what? 1. Then I can now use subtraction or fraction to solve. 2 times 1 is 2. 3 multiply 1. Let's use the butterfly method. 3 multiply 1 is 3. 2 times 3 is what? 6. 3 minus 6 is minus 3 over 2 as my what? Answer. So let's check our option. Option C is the correct answer. Thank you for having me today. Bye bye.